Most people think of dates as nothing more than a naturally sweet snack, something small you might eat occasionally when you want a quick source of energy. But what many people do not realize is that dates are actually one of the most nutrient-dense fruits you can add to your diet. Beneath their soft, chewy texture and rich caramel-like flavor is a powerful combination of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can support the body in remarkable ways, especially as we grow older. For centuries, dates have been considered a valuable food in many cultures around the world. Ancient civilizations used them as a natural source of nourishment because they were easy to store, rich in nutrients, and capable of providing long-lasting energy. Today, modern research is beginning to confirm what many people discovered generations ago. Dates may support digestion, heart health, immune function, energy production, and even healthy blood sugar balance when consumed properly. And perhaps the most surprising part is that dates provide these benefits while still tasting naturally sweet and satisfying. Unlike processed desserts filled with refined sugar and artificial ingredients, dates offer sweetness together with nutrients your body can actually use. That is why more nutrition experts are now recommending dates as a healthier alternative to many packaged snacks and sugary treats. In today's video, we are going to explore 5 surprising health benefits of dates and explain why this incredible fruit deserves far more attention than it usually gets. From digestive health and natural energy to antioxidants and blood sugar support, you may never look at dates the same way again after hearing what they can do for the body. The first major health benefit of dates is their impressive fiber content. Dates are naturally rich in dietary fiber, which plays an essential role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. As people age, digestion often becomes slower and less efficient. Many seniors struggle with bloating, constipation, irregular bowel movements, and digestive discomfort. Fiber becomes especially important because it helps food move properly through the digestive tract and supports regular elimination. A single serving of dates can provide a substantial amount of the recommended daily fiber intake. This not only supports digestion, but also helps promote a feeling of fullness after eating. When you feel satisfied for longer periods of time, you are less likely to snack excessively or overeat unhealthy foods later in the day. This can be extremely helpful for individuals trying to manage their weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Fiber also helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This means the body receives energy more gradually instead of experiencing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. In addition, the fiber in dates may support healthy cholesterol levels and contribute to overall heart health. Combined with the vitamins and minerals naturally found in dates, this makes them a far more nutritious option than most processed snack foods. The second surprising benefit of dates is that they can serve as a natural sweetener. Many people today are trying to reduce their intake of refined sugar because excessive sugar consumption has been linked to obesity, inflammation, diabetes, and heart disease. The problem is that cravings for sweets can be very difficult to ignore. This is where dates become incredibly useful. Dates have a naturally rich sweetness that can satisfy sugar cravings without relying on highly processed ingredients. Unlike refined white sugar, dates contain fiber, antioxidants, and minerals alongside their natural sugars. This means the body processes them differently than processed sweets or candy. Many people use dates to naturally sweeten smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, baked goods, or homemade energy snacks. Some even blend dates into a paste to replace sugar in recipes entirely. This allows people to enjoy sweetness while also gaining nutritional benefits at the same time. Dates are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and cellular damage over time. Antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and may support healthier aging. Dates additionally provide important minerals like magnesium, potassium, and manganese, all of which play critical roles in maintaining proper muscle, nerve, and heart function. The third major health benefit of dates is their ability to support energy levels naturally. One reason dates have been valued for thousands of years is because they provide quick and lasting fuel for the body. Dates contain natural sugars, such as fructose, glucose, and sucrose, which can help increase energy in a more stable way compared to highly processed sugary foods. Unlike candy bars or sugary drinks that often cause a rapid energy spike followed by a crash, the fiber in dates slows the release of sugar into the bloodstream. This creates a steadier source of energy that many people find more sustainable throughout the day. Dates are also a source of B vitamins, which help the body convert food into usable energy. These vitamins play an important role in metabolism and cellular function. For individuals who often feel tired, sluggish, or low on energy, adding nutrient-rich foods like dates to the diet may help support better daily vitality. This is one reason athletes and physically active individuals frequently consume dates before or after exercise. But even for seniors or less active adults, dates can provide a convenient and healthier way to fight fatigue naturally without constantly relying on caffeine or heavily processed snacks. The fourth surprising benefit of dates is their high antioxidant content, which may help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Dates contain several powerful antioxidants that help defend the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been associated with many serious health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, cognitive decline, and certain forms of cancer. Some studies have found that dates contain higher antioxidant levels than many other dried fruits. These antioxidants may help protect cells from damage and support overall health as the body ages. Researchers have explored how antioxidant-rich foods may contribute to lower risks of diseases linked to cellular stress and inflammation. There is also growing interest in the possible protective effects dates may have against certain cancers, including colorectal cancer. While no single food can prevent disease on its own, regularly consuming antioxidant-rich foods as part of a healthy lifestyle may help support the body's natural defense systems. In addition to antioxidants, dates contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing chronic inflammation in the body is increasingly recognized as one of the most important factors for maintaining long-term health and healthy aging. The fifth surprising benefit of dates is their role in helping regulate blood sugar levels. At first, this may seem confusing because dates are naturally sweet. However, their high fiber content changes how the body absorbs and processes their natural sugars. The fiber in dates slows digestion and helps prevent rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. Instead of causing a sudden surge of sugar followed by a crash, dates provide a more gradual release of energy into the bloodstream. This can be especially beneficial when compared to processed sweets that contain refined sugar and very little fiber. Some studies suggest that dates may have a relatively moderate glycemic impact when eaten in reasonable portions. For people living with diabetes or insulin resistance, portion control still matters greatly, and it is always important to consult a healthcare professional about dietary choices. However, dates may still be a smarter alternative to many processed desserts and snacks. Dates also contain nutrients that support overall metabolic health, including magnesium and potassium. These minerals are important for many functions inside the body, including muscle function, nerve signaling, hydration balance, and cardiovascular support. Another important benefit worth mentioning is that dates are incredibly versatile and easy to include in a healthy diet. You can eat them by themselves as a snack, pair them with nuts for extra protein and healthy fats, chop them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or use them in healthier dessert recipes. Their rich flavor makes them satisfying, which can help reduce cravings for heavily processed sweets. For many people, improving health does not always require complicated diets or expensive supplements. Sometimes it starts with replacing ultra-processed foods with more natural, nutrient-rich options. Dates are one of those foods that combine taste, convenience, and nutrition in a very simple way. At the end of the day, dates are much more than just a sweet fruit. They are packed with fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and essential minerals that may help support digestion, energy production, heart health, blood sugar balance, and overall wellness. When enjoyed in moderation, as part of a balanced diet, they can become a valuable addition to a healthier lifestyle. And perhaps the best part is that they are both nutritious and enjoyable to eat. Healthy foods do not always have to feel restrictive or boring. Sometimes nature provides options that are both delicious and beneficial at the same time, and dates are a perfect example of that balance. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and share it with someone who is trying to eat healthier or improve their nutrition naturally. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next health and wellness video designed to help you feel your best every single day.